You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name from Hungarian. It's actually the Hungarian version of the name Zsofia. Hungarian pronunciation, how to pronounce Zsofia. Zsofia is how it's pronounced in English, therefore Zsofia. How to pronounce Zsofia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.